Alright, July 27th, 2024, seeing he's here. 1913 coming to you from Conrath. Northbound, coming in hot! B781 decides to show up. CSX power, why not? B781, 91 of the 26. Started also from GRC's clearing yard in Clearing, Illinois. This is going to go on up to the yard and then go on from there. Guess what? Yeah, she's hot. That was ES44AH. 717 to lead it. CW44AC in the middle. And the CM44AH third as well. And that's my second one already too. Last of B781 should be coming. This CSXT 260-078. What a catch! And that'll do it for the B781, 91 of the 26th. And we'll do it for this video here at Conrath. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great evening. See you next time, and we'll see you along the main line. See you, and he's out.